Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have mod pizza. Pizza. Hello. Pizza. No, I'm playing.
When you walk in, when you walk, what they say?
They said hello.
Hello.
Welcome to mods.
Welcome to mods.
All right, guys. So why are we eating Mod's Pizza today, my love?
Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building.
Yes. And you guys know I don't do an outfit of the day on Fridays. It's my chillax day. So we're gonna dig right in. We have the usual, guys. What you have, my love?
Well, let me see. I got the pineapple. I got the, they call that thing there? Jalapeno. So you want to call it spicy chicken, regular chicken, and beef. I'll show you in a minute after I put my grace on there. If there's no grace, there's no race. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I do put grace on everything, so what? Then I have my barbecue sauce. And the way my pizza was made,
Let them know, baby love.
I didn't have no tomato sauce. I had barbecue. Okay? That's how I like mines. Was that ranch? That's how I like. So first, and I got what? The tough crust?
You have the
Fat crust, yeah.
Yeah, the fat juicy crust.
I got the fat crust, yeah. So look now. Look at me. I'll take jalapeno, it's hot. Huh? Wait, I'll take this piece and fall it. I don't want to burn yourself. On that, son. Keeping it jiggy.
Which he has like what? We have on there, baby. Pineapple. He has
Pineapple, jalapeno, chicken, spicy chicken, regular chicken.
damn.
I love mods. All you can take topping. You know hot?
I have the usual pork.
Upon pork.
Pork. I'm not ashamed.
4 rows of pork.
I have ham, turkey, bacon, pepperoni, salami, chorizo,
All your pork lovers.
and I also have some
Well,
olives.
olive, and you left Popeye.
And my crust is a thin crust.
Okay. You know, I like the crunchy crust. I said don't make it so crunchy.
That was a good idea, though.
I like it so crunchy. I know y'all like your pizza crunchy. See? It's kind of good. Okay? How's going on with y'all? Good people.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. You know? Today's y'all Friday, huh? My Friday's Monday.
Your Friday is Monday?
But where's the thing here?
What kind of sauce you want, baby? Blue cheese? You have to open it.
So which one is that? The right? Let's give me the one that
Sure, I'll open it for you. It's not a big deal.
Family, I'm about to go play some basketball, son. Been a while since I hit that court, so you know, and I'm eating all this heavy food right now.
So they're gonna beat you up?
They're gonna beat me up. They're gonna do me bad. Pray for me on that court, because I'm gonna be full. You know? Once you're a baller, don't matter.
Baller shot caller. Let me finish this right here.
Look at this, look how much stuff is on here.
When Richie was inside, telling them what toppings he wanted. Of course, you guys know Richie already by now. Every minute, you know, Sophia on short. She not give me enough food enough.
She not give me enough toppings.
She not giving me enough toppings. And look how much toppings is on his pizza.
It's a lot. It's unlimited. And she acting like I'm begging her. Don't say unlimited topping if you don't want to give me.
It's like a Subway.
I know some of y'all had it already, but let me know. What's up? That's good.
Every time I go into Mott's Pizza, I say, okay, I'm not gonna put all pork. It never fails. I have to.
If you guys the way you act, you can make it a vegetarian one too. You know what I'm saying? Tell them the greedy couple said, crazy your first lady. Well, yeah, try the veggie one. If y'all got this mindset the wrong way, try it. And let us know.
And also, sign up for the rewards program, because after we purchase this, I got a free pizza.
Right, look like you know in the Set It Off movie.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Me?
Look like Jada Pinkett.
Jada Pinkett Smith?
Set It Off, son. We been good, I know.
That was a good movie too.
I know you're asking. We been good. Taking a rough life easy, you know, that's all you could do. Right? I ain't got a lot for it. Your pepperoni pizza look good. All kind of pork, I think.
It looks banging, don't it?
I can just taste the salt in my mouth. Salty is.
Honey, you used to eat pork when you was little, right?
Yeah. Well, I was smaller growing up in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I mean pork, but I was small. I used to love pig.
What?
My pig on the tongue.
You said yam pig tongue?
Roast it, man. I was small, I just slapped my card. I used to like that. The pepperoni too. So, then, grew up in the Seventh-day Adventist church. I couldn't do it, but I just choose not to eat pork no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm grown, I live by myself now. I could do anything I want. But I choose not to.
Cause if you're a 7-day, yeah, that is true. Because you do choose not to. Because you love seafood. And if you're a 7-day Adventist, you're not supposed to eat anything shelled. So no shrimp, no crab.
But I live by myself. I pay my own bills. What's your first lady?
So we don't live together.
You pay the bills then. But you need pork, me don't need me.
I'm not a 7-day Adventist.
I know. You love the pork, son. This pizza, could you get it for your earnings? They say you don't be giving them no food, you know?
Why you gotta put me on a spot like that?
They say you don't be giving no food. From the other day, birthday didn't want to share. From the other day, birthday didn't want to share, you know what I mean?
I'm sorry, family. Which side you want? This one, this one. This
You
one?
my pork side, man.
Pork side. They're all pork side, man. Here you go, family.
Take piece. Take piece for you. Don't be mad at her.
I'm sorry.
Give her, okay? Cause you know she's not used to eating of her food anyway. That's why she don't share. So when you get a chance for some of my first lady food, you better take it quick.
No. They're gonna start doing what you do. Just take the food. You can't do it to them because of pork.
I can't do it. When she was in there, she was ordering that pork with no problem. Oh God. Let's go next pork game. Family. But fun and joke aside, you see what's going on in the world? Y'all see? Okay. That's crazy, huh? That's crazy. That's crazy. I was shocked when I turned on my TV and saw that. How they make something like that happen?
It's crazy.
You see, right? Okay. We're not gonna get into that, but yeah, I know what I'm talking about, people. Right, family? First thing, I'm going good. That pork look good, B.
One thing I like about Richie is that just because he doesn't eat pork, he doesn't like say, oh, you can't have no pork. You can't cook pork.
Yeah.
You can't have, you know what I mean? That's like, I think that's very childish. If you're a person like that, hey, do you? Me personally, I think that's childish because everybody's different. Just because you don't eat pork doesn't mean I can't eat pork. So,
family, I'm not a Rasta. I'm a fashion Rasta. So I eat meat, okay? So I'm not a Rasta, I eat meat. I just don't like pork. I don't eat pork. Love my meat though. Love my meat thick.
Thickums?
Thickums. But yes, I'm not gonna tell her, oh, you can't eat this and can't that.
That's crazy.
That's on them, you know? But I ain't gonna lie, when first we cooking that pork chop, whee! Smothered pork chop.
Smothered pork chops, oh my gosh. I think I want to make some again.
That joint be looking banging. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. And sometimes I wanna go to a restaurant and you buy the jerk pork. Whoa. Jerk pork smells good. But
Jerk pork is, You got some jerk pork with a nice beer.
But yeah.
It's the best.
That's just me, family. So I know there's a lot of pork lovers out there. So first they do substitute and stuff for me if I don't eat it.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So that's good. But she eat it. The kids that eat it.
I mean, do you guys have people like that? Who?
Wow. Excuse me. Sorry. That wasn't the pork. Ask him again first.
Who just because they don't eat something or they don't do something, like you guys are married or you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, significant other, and because they don't eat something or because they don't like something, they feel like you shouldn't like it or you shouldn't eat it. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, let us know. Comment down if you know people like that. You know what I'm saying? Let us know. We want to know. You know we nosy and y'all nosy too. So let us know. I mean, you shouldn't stop a person from eating what they want to do and do what they want to do. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly. Just like what I'm doing. Because I know Richard don't eat pork. If I want something that's pork that day, I'm making my pork and then I'm making something separate. But you have some people who would forbid you to make certain things in the house. That's crazy. It's my house too.
That's true. But at the end of the day, everybody's different. So let us know. How do y'all feel about that? Yeah.
Beer bread, that's enough.
Beer bread, nothing? Where's meat?
Of course.
Yeah.
If you were starving,
I'd eat that. If I was hungry, that'd have been brushed down because this crust is soft, not crunchy.
yeah, that's true.
Probably if I was starving, I'd have brushed this down. You know? But mine came through. Oh!
What?
Y'all almost let me forget, man. You almost let me forget. All right, word of wisdom. Y'all ready, family? Ready, first lady? If you don't take a risk, you will always work for someone who does. Yeah, Richie, Pastor Richie, wow. That one hit me, Pastor Richie. I know that's what you're saying, but listen again. Family, if you don't take a risk, you will always work for someone who does. Think about it.
Very true.
Put it in your own word. Appreciate y'all. Yeah. You full? That's it. That's it. My first lady full, she's full. She's not gonna eat no more, so don't say eat some more first date. You eat too slow.
You sound like
Don't say that.
I would say like Vibes cartel.
Don't forget first date to eat no more. She's full, and if she's full, she's full. But I can't help her today because she got pork.
Good. I'm saving this for later. Yep.
That's a lie. She's not gonna eat that. She's gonna leave that until 5 days in the fridge. I have to throw it out. I got everything for you. Don't forget.
That's not true.
To like, share.
If I don't eat it, Tamia will eat it.
Comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are first lady.
The Greedy family.
Stop.
Sasha, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.